God, it's so fucking cold. So the transport minister wants to ban the flying of drones in city limits or some shit like that. I don't know what he wants to do yet. And I always wanted to test something. I've always wanted to fly the drone out in the snow and see if it works, or if it could fly. I've never had the chance to, so I want to take my Mavic Pro and fly it in the middle of a snowstorm and see if it actually works or crashes. And I know that in a few months I won't be able to, so might as well try it today. Let's try flying the drone and see what happens. It's fucking cold. It's minus 20, probably minus 30 with the wind chill, or minus 25 with the wind chill. I'm gonna try and fly the Mavic Pro so I can get some shots, because I've got nothing. And I'm rebuilding the Sheraton Media Network website. What nicer day to fly than when it's really cold and snowing like a bitch. That was too fucking cool. Check this out, okay? There's no water or snow on the drone. There's no ice. The propellers, it's as if, okay, fine, it's cold, but check this out. Everything's like working properly. That is cool, man. You don't want to do this. This is stupid. But whatever, that was successful. I got my shots. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go edit my shots and I guess post this on YouTube. Oh, that was too awesome. All right, well, that's the end of whatever this was. I got my Mavic back. I got my shots. It's still fucking snowing the shit outside, but it's a good day, I guess.